Number of innings. A match shall be 2 innings for each side. Alternative innings. Each side shall take the innings alternatively except in the case the follow-on or forfeiture of innings. Completed innings. A side innings is to be considered completed if any of the following. A side is allowed at the follow wicket or the retirement of batsman. Further balls remain to be bowled but no further batsman is available to come in. The captain declares the innings closed. The captain forfeits the innings. The toss. The captain shall toss for choice of innings on the field of play under the supervision of the BCCI match referee. Not earlier than 30 minutes, not later than 15 minutes before the schedule or any rescheduled time for the start of play. Decision to be notified. As soon as the toss is completed, the captain of the side winning the toss shall decide whether to bat or field, shall notify the opposing captain and the umpires of this decision. Once notified, the decision cannot be changed.